So we got a new addition to the herd today. I had a Ford 120 I needed rid of real bad. So I found this one here on eBay Marketplace and got a hold of the guy. We met up. He owns the Ford and I own this, and it's missing a couple of pieces. He done a pretty good restoration on it. It's definitely a user. Needs a seat, but it'll be alright. I done went and mowed some of the yard with it just to try it out. It is electric lift. Deck's in pretty good shape. I think that is a 32-inch deck. I may rearrange where the tars and stuff set to narrow it up where the deck covers everything, but all in all, it's in pretty good shape. Runs good. Idle's a little bit rich running, but I may take the carburetor off, check it out, or just replace it all together. All in all, it's not bad. Tires of that style there, it's, from what I've found, they're a little hard to come by in that good a shape. I'm pretty happy with them. New lights in the rear. As you notice, the front thing was busted, the headlight, everything was busted up. He took it off. He just left it off, never could find one. I happen to have an extra one and a correct grill for it, so I'll be replacing those. So I'd share that with you. Pretty clean old mower. Well, after using it for a little while, a couple of things I found that I'm gonna need to fix. The belt from the variator shaft back to the rear end is not a OEM John Deere belt, and it's not making full contact. It slips. And also the tensioner spring, I'm gonna need to replace it. All in all, it runs good, works good, but on a steep hill or something, it does start slipping. You can smell the belt where it's slipping, so ain't no big deal. Pull the fender pan off and seat and everything, and get a belt and a spring and put on it. But it does good. The guy said it had a fresh oil change where he redone the engine, so I mean, seems like everything is so far is on the up and up with it. Needs a few minor things. Like that switch, it needs one of those. I guess they've hit it with their leg or foot or something and bent it down. It works, but I'll replace it. Not sure if I'm going to leave the tires set out like this or if I'm going to turn them around and set them back in. Since it does have the 32-inch deck, it sticks out wider and you hit stuff when you're trying to get up next to it. But anyway, it is what it is. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell. As I do some more work on these things, I'll have some more videos. Well, you can know when I put one up. See y'all on the next one.